Alright guys, road trip. I just was perusing online at some auctions and I came across this. So we'll go pick it up because I paid for it. So hopefully I didn't get hosed. Alright, let's hit the road. Alright, well it's raining, but here's the first look at it. Just picked it up. They just loaded my truck and I took off. So pulled over up the road, and this is pretty much my first look at this thing. So it's got some rust and corrosion on it, but yeah, the tires are holding air, plastics aren't broken, so we'll see what I can do with it. All right, well here is this piece of crap. Picked it up in an auction for about 360 bucks. Saw a picture online and figured I'd drive 2 hours out to go pick it up. So I think it's an 85 Kawasaki KLT160. It's got a little bit of rust on it. Gas tank's a little rusty on the inside. It's got some rust on the wheels and the frame, but other than that, it's complete. I kind of liked it because all the decals were still on it, and it hasn't really been taken apart or messed with, so I just went ahead and washed it so far. I might try to polish those plastics up. First thing is to get it running. So rusty tank, fix it. Carburetor stuck, fix it. And I don't think it has spark, so I gotta look into that. So we'll see what happens. I have no idea what I'm doing. I've never really taken one of these apart, so I'll just show everyone what's going on as I do it. Alright, went ahead and got the seat off, got the tank off. This thing is literally untouched, all stock. Airbox, factory airbox is still on it. Little Mikuni carb. Everything is pretty much where it should be. So let's hope it doesn't take too much to get it running. Throttle's stuck though, so I don't know if it's a cable or something in the carb. I bet the cable's all seized up. So all right, we'll keep plugging away. All right, so there's a little preview of the 1985 KLT160 I picked up at an auction. Pretty sure it's been sitting in the barn that they pulled it out of for at least 20 years. I've started digging through it, found a couple other issues that I'm gonna have to address, but I'll show that in a later video. Now the real reason I picked this thing up is I saw it in the auction and I thought it was kind of cool. It's a Kawasaki. I've never seen a Kawasaki ATC before, and I did a little research on it, and the 160 model was a 1 year only deal. They only did it in 85, and plus this is shaft drive and it has reverse. So typically they're chain drive, and a lot of times you see the Hondas and sometimes you see the Yamahas, I guess, but I've never seen a shaft drive one. And another thing is I just like old crap. So my wife probably hates it. I'm dragging this stuff home, but I like it. I'm gonna go ahead and go through it, clean it up, go through all the systems, get it running, probably just play with it, have fun with it, and piss the neighbors off around here a little bit. And plus, I think it'll look pretty sweet, perched up there on the back of my old square body truck. So, all right, well, thanks for watching the video. I'll try to update it as much as I can, and we'll go through this whole ATC. All right, thanks for watching.